Good day. Everybody, close your eyes. Before you close your eyes, go to a private area where you won't be disturbed. And then sit or lay down comfortably and turn off your telephone ringer and notifications. And then close your eyes and focus on the rhythm of your breath. So bringing deep inhales right down into your belly, expanding your belly when you're inhaling. And when you exhale, you're going to let it out and suck in your belly and push that air all the way out your lungs and out your mouth with a sigh. So, example. And just enjoying that rhythm of your breath. Inhaling and exhaling long, slow, deep breaths in. Expanding your belly. And exhaling with a sigh as you contract your belly. And just enjoying that rhythm of your breath in and out as you relax 10 times more deeply than ever before. So when we're trying to change a habit, whether it's to get slimmer or, to let go of whether it's a drug or cigarettes or cigars or chewing tobacco, whatever it is you're trying to create in your life, you want to focus on what you're trying to create. So you want to focus on the freedom that you have when you let go of those old habits which no longer serve your highest good. So we're going to do a little bit of a guided meditation here on that exactly. So as you're in that comfortable position and your eyes are closed and the rhythm of your breath brings you fully present into the here now, focus on the sound of my voice and allow the sound of my voice and the rhythm of your breath to relax you more deeply than ever before. All outside influences, regardless of the source, whether it's a chair creaking, a vehicle going by, the furnace turning on and off, somebody closing or opening a door, whatever the outside influence is, allow that to soften you and relax you more than you were before. And as your eyes are closed, and the rhythm of your breath relaxes you more deeply than ever before, and all outside influences relax you more deeply than ever before. There is something you desire. There is something you desire. Freedom. And all the necessary changes are gently and comfortably being made within you and surrounding you right here, right now. And as you relax more deeply, just notice your mind attuning to this, your physical and your mental capacities attuning to this. From now forward, you choose products which enhance and add to the quality of your life. Whether it's food, whether it's magazines or the types of shows you watch or the activities that you do, you now choose all these products and activities that enhance the quality of your life. So as you are quietly, with your eyes closed, breathing in and out, relaxing deeper and deeper, just bring to your mind What types of activities enhance the quality of your life? Is it going for walks, playing baseball, going to the gym, eating fresh fruits and vegetables, watching documentaries, watching humorous comedies, reading books that entertain you and bring joy into your life, reading magazines that are filled with happy stories about people who have done well in their life, maybe Fortune 500. Who knows what it is for you? And as you relax more deeply than ever before, and the sound of my voice and the rhythm of your breath relax you 10 times more deeply than ever before, envision yourself achieving what you desire. The freedom from that old habit which no longer serves you. Thanking it for having given you this awareness and the information that you've received from that habit. Maybe something profound is coming into your awareness about what it is you were using that product for. And now you no longer require its services, and you see yourself, you hear yourself, you smell the air that you're breathing as you enjoy different choice that enhances and improves the quality of your life. So as you envision yourself free, free, free of all those old habits which no longer serve your highest good, and you move forward gently and comfortably, easily, peacefully into that freedom where you choose habits which improve the quality of your life. You choose products which enhance the quality of your life. You choose freedom to step into your power and your beauty. You choose freedom to step into your power and your freedom. And what does your freedom look like? Going to a job you love, eating food that is so enriching the quality of your body, doing activities that bring you joy and happiness and flood you with love. What is it that you see for yourself? Envision it. And you can lay there or sit there for a few moments after I am gone and reflect on just what is it that adds to the quality of your life? What products, what activities, what things can you bring into your life that enhance it, that enrich it? Yeah. And when you're ready, you can return to full awareness, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, happier and healthier than you have been since the beginning of time. Yes. And just take some moments to truly enjoy envisioning yourself with that happy, healthy mind and body and soul, doing what you love, enjoying the activities and the products that enhance and enrich the quality of your lives. Breathe. Breathe and enjoy.